cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. This is the first year I'm doing Vlogmas and I thought that the best way to start is with some Christmas decorating videos. So today I'm decorating and cleaning our bedroom. I really don't have a lot of Christmas decor, so I had to be extra creative this year. I didn't buy anything new and I wanted to buy a couple of things, but everything is closed again here because of COVID and I couldn't find anything I wanted online. Online shops here are not the best and I was too late to order from anywhere else because everything would be delivered mid-December. Of course, don't forget to stay until the end to see the final result. I just quickly showed you everything I have and I'm pretty impressed that I managed to decorate 3 full rooms with that. Before I start with decorating, I will do a quick tidy up. I'm picking all the clothes and taking them to the laundry room and then I'm going to start taking the curtains off.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you.
I wanted to wash the curtains because I love how good and fresh room smells when they are freshly washed, and I will also wash the bedding so everything will be clean when I'm done decorating. I'm going to take the bedding and sheet off and put it in the washer. Thankfully the weather was so nice on these days, so I was able to dry them outside and put it back on at the end. I ordered new bedding some time ago, but something went wrong so it got delayed and I'm so sad about that because it would go perfect with Christmas decor.
Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out.
You can see how dusty it was up there, so I'm going to dust this wooden curtain pole and then I'm finally starting with decorating.
Everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes.
This dresser is the only surface I can decorate in here, but I have to dust it first. I also wanted to put some garland on the windowsill, but I couldn't get it, and garland is really the only thing I wish I had because I could use it in so many spaces.
It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas sun.
On here I decided to put this little Christmas tree and I will add this red bead garland and 2 red apples on here to add a pop of color. I also have a pine cone and a red bow that I will put on the pine cone. I did the same thing last year and I really loved it because it's so simple and it looks so good to me. I also added this snow globe here, but I decided to change it at the end.
and somehow we knew that
I also put some of that garland in the pot because it was empty. This will help with balance and it looks so much better like that.
from now on, yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on.
Now I'm adding some lights. I had those lights in here for quite some time now because I really love having those twinkle lights around the house in fall and winter. I could just put up a few lights around the house and it would be enough for me if I didn't have anything else. This is one area that I feel like it would look so much better if I had some green garland to add with the lights.
From this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
Now that I'm done with that, I will dust the rest of the dresser, and by the time I was done with that, laundry was done too, so I will go ahead and hang the clothes outside, and I will also put curtains in the washer.
How things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold
If you are
outside.
new and you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, especially now that I will be posting a lot of videos. The next two will also be decorating videos. I will be decorating our living room next and then the kitchen. I will also post a lot of cleaning motivation and plan on sharing my cleaning routines, what I do in the morning and evening, daily and weekly cleaning routines, and some baking videos too. I have some delicious, easy recipes to share with you.
But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my
Now I'm going to clean this window sill because it was really dusty, and then I'm going to clean the windows.
just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
I also decided that I'm going to put lights on this curtain pole. I always add these lights in the bedroom because I love them so much, but I always change the place where I put them, and I think that I like them in that place the most.
Falling down, and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents.
Now that the lights are up, I'm going to hang the curtains back on so they can dry.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
I said before that I changed the snow globe, and I decided to put this red candle holder because I like to lit a candle in here, and it looks so good with candle lit in there because you can see all the stars and snowflakes and everything. Now that I'm done decorating, I will finish cleaning the bedroom. I will start vacuuming the dog bed, then sides of our bed because they are full of dog hair, and at the end I will also vacuum the floors.
Making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, and in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
The last thing I will do is put the sheet and bedding back on the bed, and then I will show you the final product.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my
really like how everything turned out. I'm really sad about the bedding, and this dresser would look so much better with a little bit of garland. I will also show you the clip where it was getting darker outside so you can see how everything looks in the dark with lights and all. Thank you all so much for joining me on this first day of Vlogmas. Please like the video and leave a comment if you liked it, and of course subscribe if you are new, because there will be a video up on my channel every day for the whole December. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!